Hello, students. Greg here. Today I want to help you with your English vowel sounds. There are 15 or 16 different vowel sounds in American English, depending on where you come from in the US. Let's work on 10 of them. These 10 we divide into groups of 5, the short vowels and the long vowel sounds. The short ones are a, I, a. The long ones A, E, I, O, U. I like to practice them using the letters B and T. These are 10 different words, and the only difference in the words is that vowel sound. Let's hear them. The short vowels: bat, bet, bit, bought, but. The long: bait, beat, bite, boat, boot. Now I'll say them. Leave a pause and say them again. Repeat after me. Bat, bat, bet, bet, bit, bit, bought, bought, but, but. The long vowels: bait, bait, beat, beat, bite, bite, boat, boat, boot, boot. And there you have 10 of the vowel sounds of American English. Start the video over. Practice, practice, practice. Greg Morris here, signing off.